see what it is? You gotta love Theo, you know. You leave the yard and he's there, patrolling. No foxes, no other cats, no other animals getting inside this premises without his say so. Theo? Theo? Yeah, you're worth your weight in gold, mate. Yeah, my driller. Control and patrol the area, that's what I'm saying.